Unlocking a better life. You want to take your life to a whole other level. To a higher level. There are so many hurdles out there, so many obstacles, and probably just as many people telling you how to overcome them. In this video, I want to motivate you to follow your inner voice. Simply, you mean? Maybe. But in most cases it is not so easy, because you are completely overloaded with impressions from outside, with wishes from outside, with goals from outside. What is this outside? The outside is the world that surrounds you, that shapes your senses. All the information from advertising, the news, the www, what friends or coworkers tell you. What you hear in the bar in the evening or in the shower after a tennis match. All this shapes our life. It shapes who we are. Maybe you ask yourself who you would be if you didn't have this imprint. Maybe that's too philosophical for you? But now let's look at the counterpart from the outside. The inside. The inside is everything that happens inside of us. Thoughts, feelings, and body perceptions. The inside is often a mirror of the outside world. So we try with our thoughts, feelings, and actions to recreate what we experience on the outside. But since this is not what we really feel, a dissonance arises. What we do, that is, in the three-dimensional world does not feel in harmony with the inner world. Therefore, you should try to reconnect with yourself and your inner self, at the core of who you are. Here are a few ideas for your practice. 1. What feels healing? Not what feels good. It may feel good to eat that pack of chips or drink 15 beers. But both are not healing. 2. What creates a feeling of inner satisfaction? Not what feels good. Inner contentment is a deeper sense of connection with yourself. This is where you discover yourself and your competencies. The outside no longer becomes the measure over your own state of being. Cultivate these 2 steps and transform your life. 1. Is the thought, the feeling, the action healing for me? 2. Does the action, thought, feeling create inner peace for me? Then you can become the best version for you. If you can do that, you will become a better, more loving person for yourself and your environment. This is not about strengthening your ego, but your inner self. You shine out of yourself to the outside and can inspire people. This will not only help you, but also the people around you. For a better and more peaceful world where we can all coexist. What is healing for you? Comment below.